Good morning, Prep. Who's ready to do some cooking with me? First, I need you to go wash your hands with soap and warm water. Now that your hands are clean, we're ready to start measuring our ingredients. First, we're going to get 1 cup of self-raising flour and tip that into the bowl. So, we've got 2 spoons of butter and our flour in our bowl. Now, we need to add our milk. Get your milk and measure out 1/3 of a cup. Add 1 cup of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/3 of a cup. We're ready to start mixing. Prep, what does the dough feel like? Can you feel it in your hands? Is it buttery or cold or floury? Feel it coming together and getting a bit sticky. Good job, Prep. Your dough's now mixed. Can you see that your dough has made a ball? Can you also call it a sphere because it's round. Now with your dough ball, you're going to put it on the bench with a bit of flour. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle some flour on the bench. Get your dough ball and put it on the bench. Now we're going to start squishing it until we have a nice, flat, round circle. So squish it out with your hands. When your dough looks like a circle like this, you're finished flattening your dough. Okay. We're going to get some baking paper. And you want a square of baking paper. Can you see the square, Prep? We're going to put that square of baking paper onto our round tin. We can put our circle of pizza dough on as well. Now, Prep, we're going to start putting the toppings on our pizza. First, we're going to start with some tomato paste. So now we're ready to start putting our toppings on our pizza. I'm going to start with a semicircle of ham. Semicircle. There we go, gently putting my semicircle on. Now, I'm going to get a triangle of pineapple and put my triangle in the center. Next, I'm getting 2 small olive circles, putting these olives on. Got 2 olives. Now 2 pieces of capsicum, and they're going to go above your olives. Now I'm going to get 2 mushrooms. Can you see I've cut my mushroom up? And I'm going to put them on the side of my pizza. On the side. Now I'm going to get some cheese. And I'm going to sprinkle the cheese up the top of my pizza. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Prep, I've just sprinkled the cheese up the top of my pizza to create some funky hair for my guy. Can you see this? That we have our curly cheese hair, 2 straight rectangular eyebrows, 2 circles for our eyes, 1 triangle for our nose, and 1 semicircle for our face, for our lips. When you have put your toppings on your pizza, can you ask a grown-up to put your pizza in the preheated oven? All finished. Let your pizza cook in the oven for 15 minutes. Then ask a grown-up to use some oven mitts to take the pizza out of the oven. Let your pizza cool for 5 minutes before you start eating.